The Provision warranty is the most encompassing warranty in the industry, and today we actually define the industry standard with a 5-year warranty on the majority of our goods and hardware. We also have lifetime warranties on cables and things like SD cards where our competitors fall short. You know, in addition to that, I think beyond warranty is the technical support that we offer for all of our clients post-sale. And so for a client that needs an assist with any of the systems that they've been sold throughout Provision's history, we still support all of those clients today for free and essentially for life. And that's a resource that's frequently overlooked. The free technical support, we're not expecting our clients to be video experts. So when they need something, they can actually pick up the phone and tell that the Provision team member they're talking to cares about their organization and has a vested interest in them achieving whatever they're calling about.